hotel and need to get to Kabataş station. That's the only place where you can catch the ferry to Prince Islands. And the funny thing is that we just changed our location yesterday. So we lived in that area before and now we have to spend around 40 minutes to get to Kabataş. And anyway, I love this district because it has a lot of beautiful houses and the sea view. So we need to get to Kabataş by 9 a.m. and I really hope we'll manage to get there by that time. That's what the Kabataş station looks like. By the way, you can pay by your Istanbul card here, but be careful by choosing the right station. So if you go a little bit further, that way you will not be able to pay by the Istanbul card. Instead, you will pay by cash. So it's all up to you. So that's what the machine for Istanbul card looks like. It's very easy to use. So you can choose the language over here, and as soon as you put your Istanbul card in this space, you'll be able to check the balance or put banknotes to add money. And now we have 1.5 hours to enjoy the beauty of Istanbul, Marmara Sea and the islands. Princess Islands, also known as Adalar, are a group of 9 islands, but only 4 of them are open to the public. Today, we're gonna check the largest one, Büyükada. So here we are. 1 hour, 40 minutes passed so fast. And the first thing I want to do right now is to get something to eat. I know, it feels like I came to Turkey just to eat all the time. No, we just didn't have any breakfast at all this morning because we were hoping to get something before our departure to Prince Islands. But we were running a little bit late and didn't get anything. So when people started feeding the seagulls, I wanted to pretend to be the seagull too, to get at least something. So let's go and find something to eat, finally. There are a lot of restaurants about the shore and on the main street. Also, you'll find the grocery stores and pharmacies here. To be honest, when we arrived in Büyükada, most of the restaurants were closed due to the national lockdown. But we were able to order the food for takeaway. This time, we chose kashim for our breakfast. So, what I got is fish sandwich. It doesn't have any sauce, it's just fish, bread, some onion, salad. And what we got for Roma is meat doners. It looks like a sandwich as well, with some beef, French fries, salad, and bread. So bon appetit! You know, this feeling then that you haven't eaten for like a few hours, 3 or 4 hours, and then you got your beloved food. It's delicious. During Byzantine times, royal princes were exiled here. That's how the island got its name. Later, it became a resort for the Istanbul aristocracy. Lucky for them, I wouldn't mind enjoying my weekend on the sunny island. It was also a home for many Jewish, Greek, and Armenian communities. Today, you can see dozens of tourists escaping from noisy Istanbul and spending a day or two on a peaceful island. You can rent a room in a hotel or a villa and just relax and swim in the Marmara Sea. Büyükada is the largest island among all 5 islands of Adalar and the most attractive for tourists. And by the way, we came here 8 months ago, and unfortunately it was raining all day long, and we had to stay at the restaurant by the shore and just watch the sea, the view of Istanbul. And I had so many plans by that time to go on the beach and swim for a little bit. But rain spoiled all our plans. And now we finally can enjoy nice weather and explore the whole island just in one day. I can't believe this. What a huge city Istanbul is. I guess that's where the Asian side or Anatolian side starts, but I cannot see the edge of European side. It's amazing. And yes, there are still a lot of cats on the island. This is my new friend. What's your name? Let it be... I don't know, because I usually make up really stupid names for my cats. One of them is Bublik. It means bagel. And the other one is called Bubonchik. It means the pon-pon. So, oh my gosh, he loves me. Is it he or she? I guess it's a boy. What about the transport on the island? All motorized vehicles are prohibited here. Instead, you can rent a bike or electric vehicle. As you can assume, the place is really clean and quiet.
Morning light is wandering on my face. I can't believe I don't know the day, the time, the place. I drive around in a city full of shame. Everything feels hollow when you are away. When it all comes down, when our life is too big to confound. You said I can't go, I can't love anyone but you, and I know exactly what to do. You said I can't go, I can't love anyone but you. I'm totally yours if you want to.
Guys, we just found the local market with a bunch of fruits, veggies, and I cannot miss the chance to get more vitamins for myself. So I bought some apricots on the market and I really wanted them so bad because the season for apricots in Ukraine is August and it's May right now, and it really smells so good. Unfortunately, we do not have any cats over there, so I do not need to share food because Ellie doesn't share food. Guys, just a piece of advice for you. Make sure to download the Turkish dictionary before you go into Prince Islands or Asian side because people do not speak English here, and all of the signs, schedules are in Turkish. But it all doesn't matter when you start exploring new places, learning a different culture, and realizing how unique our world is. Guys, if you came to Istanbul for a week or so, you should definitely devote one day to this wonderful place.